Dear friends, this time I come to you with not very good news. This is our place in Buena Vista, the church in Buena Vista. Many of you have been here about the testimony in this place. Many years ago, this place was without water, and we had the opportunity to make a well for the entire village. That well is a blessing for them. Even in that well, we have a banner and it says, if you are thirsty and you drink this water, you're gonna be thirsty. But if you receive Jesus in your heart, you will be fine. But the weather makes this, and you can help us. If you want, pray for us and contact me, and I can tell you how you can help, how can we work together and make a big deal of Jesus in this place in Buena Vista. Thank you very much for your help. God bless you.
La tin templo ne la pues be orazo ko kasta tale ciclono kala lu sabi kala pulu men cheilo be ora pues atato be ya pues be ora pues minantus metic servicio minantus much tamba tulakli hermano sobo pero tak tu click to de ka mak an kula kupete de materialo mas hatsut tia takeska tak ciclono be pues mo pulu to utia durante kino belo mistano ka pulu to he bishoy uto to poto ne la de think aton don wa tu bendición al Dios pues yank me yat que tok tu click te la